Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open MetaTrader 5, then go to the top left and click on File. Click on Open an Account and make sure you choose this one, Meta Codes Ltd. If you can't see it here, you have to type it on the search bar. Okay. Now click on it and click on Next. Now we have here open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk. Okay, make sure you choose this one and click on next. Now we have to add some informations here. So we have here the first name, the last name, and we have here the date of birth. So I will choose, for example, let's say 1946. We have here your email. You have to add your email here, and you have to add your phone number. So I will add, for example, like this. Now we have here the deposit. You can change it if you want. This is, I think, $100,000. And we have here the leverage from 1 to 1 to 1 to 500. And click on I agree. Click on next and click on finish. As you can see, now we have a demo account. Now, if you go to trade, you will see your balance here. As you can see, $100,000. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.